Hello friends, this is Gary, a Thales import and export manager. Today I will show the price for the 3 Ply Face masks. You can see this one. This type of mask very commonly used in 2020 due to COVID-19. Okay, do not waste time. The quotation details coming. You can clearly see all details for our offers. We offer the price based on the cartons, pieces, carton price, and the pieces price. Okay, and the package, and then loading for the container, 20-feet container, 40-feet container, lead times, and also loading port, Incoterms, validity times, and also the payments. So this is the full quotations for the 3 Ply Face masks. I just want to emphasize 2 issues. First, we provide a free inspection service start for the 40-feet containers orders. Okay. Second, we can accept the letter of credits and also can use the letter of bank guarantees. Okay. If you have any questions, you can easily to find me my information and this scoring information. Okay, or leave a message to me. If you like this presentation way, please help me to click the like button and subscribe our channel. Do not miss the real-time price quotations. Okay, see you in the next products video.